Let's go in, Mama.
Yebo singeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG, hi Saki. I am a man aged 40 years old with 2 kids. I separated from my wife 2 years ago. My work involves a lot of traveling and can go up to a month or more in Disipo. I believe my wife took this as an opportunity to cheat on me. I discovered after ndaona a shirt that was not mine mu wardrobe mangu. It was ironed on the hanger. I asked my wife kuti hembe ndeyani, and she said it's yours. I was adamant that it wasn't mine, but she kept saying hembe dzenyu dzawandiza, you're now forgetting your clothes. In doubt, I tried it on and it couldn't fit. I started making noise about the shirt and called my maid Anowacha, and she couldn't answer. Picking her reaction, I started making more noise, and both my wife and maid kept Z. I took off my belt. Zvekutoita ready kuda kurova vanhu. Ndanga ndagara ndichifungira kuti my wife is cheating because she had lost interest in me. Ndaigona kuenda out nebasa for weeks, and pandinodzoka anenge asina hanya neni. Ndakamusikiza neband, ndipo pakatanga kuchema maid achikumbira ruregerero. Zveshuwa aizofira mahara. I asked kuti hembe ndeyani. Akataura kuti mama vane shamwari yavo inombouya musipo, zvichida hembe yakabatanidzirwa kuwasheni yenyu. My wife was begging for forgiveness, but in that moment I couldn't control my anger and I hit her. Akandisungisa ndikatovharirwa. Hama dzake called me all kinds of names. Pandakabuda, I just took my clothes and moved out of my house, imba yandakavaka neziya rangu. I considered the kids because staying in the same space naye would be a disaster and could affect mental health yevana. I fired the maid after I had gotten the full story from her. She said this guy would come weekends when the kids are at my sister's place. She was being paid double to keep quiet and help out Mumadiriai. I thought about my kids and the possibility of me reconciling with her. Nikaona zvisingabude. So 2 years living separately, I heard Vana talking about Uncle T. I asked him, Akanditi, you have taken too long to make your decision about coming back home to me. So I moved on. Vedari, I started asking myself, kuti ndiye ere munhu wandakawana muchechi yedu yeRoma, akapfeka uniform ndikada. Ko ari kumhanyirei? I told her kuti nei achidherera kupinza varume vese vese paimba yandakavaka. She argues that she is an adult and there is no problem bringing her boyfriend. Each day I'm more than convinced that she is trying to hurt my feelings or lead me to commit suicide. So I took the kids. They are staying kwa mama. My next move is to chase her out of my house. My friend discouraged me from this, saying, Vana need their mother as well as a decent accommodation to grow up in. I am ready to divorce now, and I'm going to leave her with nothing because my property is ndakaisa trust. Am I wrong, Vedare? What advice can you give me? Ndatopinda mu depression. Hiyo hot topic yetu yanamhlanje.
Phone lines are already blazing and messages are coming in on our WhatsApp platform. I'll try to read out a few before we allow you to weigh in on our hot topic for today. 40 years, he says. He's got 2 kids and he has been separated for 2 years. And already mudzimai pakabuda murume atone shamwari yaakuunza futi pamba asi chiri chimwe the same thing chakasirwa nditi.
Yes.
On 0772162651 someone says I think 2 years is too long uchingofunga waidawo kuti aite say. This one also coming in on our WhatsApp platform says zvokuwana munhu muchechi hazvina kana basa ndo zvavave vanhu vacho. This one says I think my brother should seek counseling for yourself to be well because ukada kuteedzana nemunhu unogona kurwadziswa zveshuwa ukazvisungirira. This one also coming in on our WhatsApp platform says mukadzi aite uyo mahwan chaiwo. This one also coming in on our WhatsApp platform says they're coming in fast and furious. I can't keep up. Ngasiyane nemudzimai uyo but ari kufana kuzviita zvine strategy nekuti anogona kurowa pazvinhu zvaakashandira. This one says I feel kuti anokwanisa hake kuita sezvinoitawo mamwe madzimai kunamatira imba yake. This one says I feel we need to kusiyana naye, divorce and chase her away, file for trespassing if you keep her in your life, and the life of your children will become as rotten as she is. Yeah. 0772 162 651 Star FM. Hello.
Hello.